What's up, guys? So today we're gonna do a quick do-it-yourself headliner install. This is actually LOWTEK's. We're actually gonna remove this and we're gonna replace it with some black suede. Some of the basic things that you're going to need, or what I use, is adhesive glue, face mask, so you're not inhaling these fumes and getting high. But let me set this up real quick so we could get this going. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to start at the corner edges and just start peeling back. You gotta be careful not to damage the actual, bottom of the headliner. Alright guys, so next what we're going to do is, after you remove that top layer, since it already has the pre-cuts already where everything goes, it's easier just to grab that and put it on top of the fabric and material and just retrace that. And just kind of add like half an inch or like an inch just to be on the safe side. And basically what you want to do is you just want to retrace everything exactly to how everything wraps around the headliner. Basically what I'm doing here is I'm attaching the back side of the suede onto the headliner, and if you see the slits, it makes it easier for us to stretch and pull and make sure that we get a good tight fit around the edges. So LOWTEK and George swung by the shop to pick up the headliner. But let's see what they got in the cabin though. Hey, is that an In.FOCUS shift boot, dog? And that's how you pick up a headliner.
Alright guys, bye. You say something?
Alright guys, that was the vlog. You know, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a little bit basic. You know, it's a first for us. We're trying to edit and vlog and, you know, trying to build this channel. You know, I hope you guys stick around to see the growth. There's a lot of potential to help you guys, you know, do your guys' own projects. And if you guys have any questions, you know, you guys can always email us. I'll put the information down in the link below. Yeah, just like and subscribe.